Desmond, you've been so naughty this year that I brought you something I know you'll absolutely hate. It's a Florida State Seminoles tailgate bundle. Chair, flag, and a koozie.
Oh, come on, Sam. You know I'm all about the cane.
Ho, ho, ho! Desmond, you were so spectacularly naughty this year, I had to go all out. Feast your eyes on the ultimate Florida State Seminoles tailgate bundle. Chair, cooler, flag, koozie. Ho, ho, ho! Desmond, you topped the naughty list so spectacularly, I brought in the nuclear option.